The raging storm Pia in the North Sea washed away 46 containers of goods from the deck of the Maersk merchant ship Mayview. A Danish ship with cargo was traveling from Bremerhaven, Germany to Gdańsk, Poland, and found itself at the epicenter of the disaster. Some of the drowned goods washed up on the Danish coast. Danish Defence Command spokesman Bremerhaven confirmed the incident to TV2 and said they had advised shipping to be careful when navigating the area. The containers are scattered over a large area of the sea, so it is impossible to say exactly where they are, but now seafarers have the opportunity to be careful when sailing through these areas, said Bremerhaven. Local beachkeeper Andreas Mogensen said 4 containers washed ashore, and the remaining 42 containers are currently drifting between Bulberg and Svinkla. They also report that freezers and refrigerators have floated up on the beach, and they suspect that these must be goods from containers that are still floating in the sea. Maersk has confirmed that the container ship Mayview Maersk lost containers in a severe storm, and for the sake of its customers, Maersk will not reveal what is in the containers. In a press statement sent to TV2, Maersk said the containers were lost and that no crew members were injured and the ship could operate as normal. In addition to informing the relevant authorities about the incident, Maersk has also hired a company that can help locate the missing containers. The company also emphasizes that it will help remove lost containers. There is a lot of cleaning work to be done on the beaches. Various collection points for garbage collected from the sea have been installed along the beach. TV2 reports that the public can move items to safety, but whether it's a pair of shoes or a refrigerator, you can't take them for yourself. According to the Danish Beach Landing Act, stranded property belongs to the owner, and therefore if you remove anything from the beach it will be considered theft. Maersk previously said it was taking the situation very seriously. The company said it will cover the costs associated with the cleanup. The Danish Fishermen's Association has announced that it will seek compensation for damage that may be caused to vessels fishing in the area. In addition to shoes, boxes of medical equipment washed up from the sea on the beaches of Denmark. Wheels for wheelbarrows were also caught by local residents. At least 10,000 pairs of shoes were found, as well as televisions and syringes. It is unknown how many containers are on board. Maersk said that the ship will undergo a full inspection upon arrival in Gdańsk, Poland. According to unconfirmed reports, there are still damaged containers on the ship. Maersk did not comment on the damaged containers on board the ship, but online reports from Gdańsk said the ship arrived at port with containers hanging overboard. The Gdańsk port webcam captured a ship with damaged containers sticking overboard. Danish maritime authorities continue to warn of missing containers in the North Sea. Danish media reported that helicopters and drones were used to search the North Sea, but the location of possible drifting containers or debris had not been established. Initial reports were that 4 containers washed ashore along the North Jutland coast in the North Sea. By Thursday, authorities said trash from the beaches had been collected, but more items could still wash ashore. The containers were believed to contain consumer goods, and Denmark's Environment Minister Magnus Heunicke said he had received assurances that the containers contained no hazardous materials. The minister said that in addition to a clear plan, Maersk had hired a cleanup company and was on standby in case additional debris ended up in the North Sea or washed ashore. Maersk paid for the cleanup and said it would compensate volunteers who helped clean up Denmark's beaches. Built in 2014, the vessel is 399 meters long, making it one of the largest cargo vessels operated by Maersk. The vessel is registered in Denmark.